Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, we got our new studio monitor, which I'm very excited to show you. We call it audio IN8 8-inch monitor. So we think this is the best one, so we're going to show you what it looks like. So this is a 3-way 8-inch monitor. So we're just going to show you. Do a lot of research on it to make sure that it's the best one. So we think it's the best one, so we're going along with it. So, alright, let me get this one out of the way and show you one first. Okay, so here we go. First, we got some instructions. So there, whole card. Thought it would be in the next box. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So it's not heavy, it's very lightweight. So it's upside down. So there you go. And then we have the back section here. So there you go guys, and we'll definitely give you a follow-up video on what they sound like. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.